Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials: email, a strong password, and a 2FA method. Create a Docker ID now using lowercase and 330 characters so it's valid. Once done, choose personal versus team, understand teams incur costs, plan accordingly. Next, open Hub. Docker. Com and click Sign Up, fill email, username, and password fields, then accept the terms. Make sure to read the privacy and billing hints before proceeding, because early choices affect repositories, permissions, and billing later. After signing up, verify your email immediately. Click the link within 24 hours to unlock account features. Once verified, enable two-factor authentication. Use an authenticator app for stronger security and store backup codes somewhere safe. Next, configure your profile and create an organization if you need team repos. Choose default visibility for new repositories, public or private. Make sure to connect your local Docker CLI by running Docker login and entering your new credentials, so you can push and pull images right away. To finish, test the flow. Docker login, build a minimal image, then Docker push to confirm permissions and connectivity. Review billing settings if you created a team, and generate API access tokens for CI systems. Store them securely. If something fails, check common causes: invalid credentials, expired tokens, corporate firewall or DNS blocking, and clock skew affecting 2FA. If you still can't authenticate, revoke old tokens, re-enable 2FA, and retry. Contacting Docker support is the last step if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.